very much happy and humbled to welcome you to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time you are watching it, dear, welcome so much. Today I want to share with you a vlog on how to cut school uniform, that is dresses, not shirts, shorts, no. Let's just move direct to the materials I'm going to use while I'm cutting the material. So keep logged all the time as we move together and learning on how to cut the material, guys. Well, so guys, my space for cutting is so spacious. This is one of the material, and this is the other material. So I'm going to use this material for the dress, then I'm going to use this material for cutting the collar and the sleeves. So keep watching. Then I have my tape measure. This is the tape measure. I'm going to measure the measurements. I have my piece of chalk here. I have my pair of scissors. I have my pair of scissors here. Then I have my exercise book here. Now this exercise book, I use it in making the measurements. These are the measurements. So these measurements are the ones I'm going to use while I'm cutting it. Now, direct to the cutting. So I'm going to start with the dress, not the collar, and that is the procedure. So I'm going to open my material like this. This is my material. This is the edge of the material. So now I'm going to cut what we call bodice. Bodice is from the shoulder up to where the umbilical cord is. That is what we call bodice. So that is what I'm starting with. So I fold my material like this. And remember, using my measurements, I'm going to fold the material into two parts like this. But the measurements I'm going to use in cutting these two parts, I've taken the total. But remember, when I'm cutting the bodice, I'm using the measurements for the bust. So now I'm going to take my bust. This is my bust. So I'm going to use the bust measurement and divide by 4, because we have the front part and we have the back part. And because we fold it into 2, I have to divide into 4 parts. So my bust, for example, I have my measurements here, whereby the bodice from shoulder to the umbilical cord is 15 centimeters, or rather inches. So I will measure 15 centimeters. Then I add a half for the seam allowance. Then I have shoulder. Now shoulder, it is from one hand to the other. That length is what we are calling shoulder. So the shoulder here is 12.5 centimeters. Not 12, but 13 centimeters. So because the shoulder is for the back part only, I'm going to divide by 2. So 13 inches I divide by 2, I'm going to get 6.5. So I'm measuring 6.5 inches. Done it. Then the bust is 31 inches. So I will take my tape measure like this. I fold it into 2, that is 30 inches. 31 inches. We have 31 inches. And remember, I've told you we are folding it into 4 parts. a half, I fold again. Then I open. So one part, it's 6.8. So I will measure, and I've marked the shoulder line. So where I have put the mark, I'm going to put 6.8 inches. Then again, from that point, 6.8 inches, I'm going to measure the measurement of the bust. That was 6.8. Then I add 2 inches. That is for the allowance. So 6.2 plus 8.2. 8.8. Yes. Then after that, I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw a line up to the bottom. Then the measurement for the shoulder line, I've done it. And remember, from the edge up to the mark where I made 6.5, I have to reduce the height by 0.5 inches. 0.5 inches. So the edge is here. So now up to 6.5, I'm going to reduce up. The measurement for the armhole, the measurement is 6.8. Then 6.8, I'm going to divide by 2 for it to shape the armhole. So I have 6.8 divided by 2, 3.4. So 3.4 there. So I made the armhole. Armhole is this part. This part is what we are calling the armhole. Then I want now to cut the neck. So the measurement for the neck, since it's a little girl, I'm going to use 2 measurements. I'm going to make 2 measurements. At first, I'm going to make 3. Then below, that was horizontally, I'm going to make yes, guys, I'm done with cutting my uniform. You have the bodice, you have the lower part, you have the pockets, and you have the neck. Now, we cannot cut the collar right now. The collar we will cut it after joining this part so that we will get the length of the neck. And the length of the neck will enable us to cut the collar. So keep watching, share, like, and comment. And feel free and keep watching as we meet next as we cut the collar. Bye, guys.